What are we doing?
Okay, so we're gonna marinate the chicken thigh
Okay.
right now. So you have all the seasonings.
You don't have a recipe, no?
Yeah, we're just gonna chuck some
Alright.
seasoning.
Okay, what do you want to marinate it with?
These. This is the...
Should we... Chicken thigh. Oh, I have a director. I have a director behind the camera. He's... Don't shake the camera, director. My goodness. Oh my goodness.
So first you have Maldon salt. We need to finish it.
Maldon it. No, we don't need to finish it. I just brought it all the way from Madrid, so I want to use it. Ah, I will add the seasonings and you get your hands dirty and put it in the chicken. That sounds good. That sounds good. Should I have more? This is Maldon sea salt with garlic. Garlic?
This is black pepper.
This is black pepper. That feels like that's enough. It feels like that's too much. Can you see my head? Oh, God. Cayenne powder.
Cayenne.
Are you gonna put more pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, more black pepper.
We can put like a yogurt on it. I was gonna say mayo, but you hate mayo.
Mayo? No.
I saw this video, but he was making fried chicken. He put ranch.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Why is that a problem?
Because he put ranch.
You wanna put ranch?
You don't have ranch.
Sweet paprika? Cayenne and sweet paprika?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Alright. What's wrong, Gavin? My cameraman is struggle bussing. Great garlic, dried garlic. Well, you know, we could have just used real garlic.
But it's not gonna go evenly on it. It's gonna be like chunks.
It's gonna be so much more yummy.
It's gonna be like in chunks.
Real garlic. Let's put a lot of garlic. Garlic is good. Alright, so we're basically just using 1/4 teaspoon for everything and eyeballing it to completely cover all the chicken. And now you will get in there with your hands because I don't want to do that part.
I washed my hands.
Did you really?
I did.
Alright.
I know. It doesn't sound like you trust me.
I trust you. Should we get some chickeny kitchen ASMR?
Oh, this feels horrible.
I bet it sounds even worse. Now we leave it to marinate for an hour?
Yeah.
All right. Come back in 1 hour. We're now gonna make the sauce. What's the sauce? Greek yogurt, lemon, and what? This is his recipe. I'm just making it up as I go along. Garlic, and then maybe in a small bowl.
Yep.
This entire section of the vlog is being filmed by this guy. I thought you should see it because one of his summer goals is to film a vlog, so he's in charge of the camera.
You add the lemon juice first.
Lemon juice? How much lemon juice? This is a 1/4.
No, don't use this because we're gonna use it for this and then it's gonna split.
So I say we put that in first. And then we put the, no wait, then it's gonna, it's gonna
I
be dry.
say we just splash it in.
It feels risky business. Okay, you splash it in. I'm gonna prepare a tissue. Did he make a mess? I'm sorry I doubted you. I'm a bad tita. They should revoke my tita license.
I don't know.
Sure.
So suspicious.
It won't the
Trust me.
yogurt curdle?
Put more yogurt first.
I know, right? This is gonna be so lemony. What can we do to balance the lemon?
Add more yogurt. But you're gonna finish the yogurt.
Okay, that's enough.
It's like a tzatziki without tzatziki.
Taste it.
You taste it.
You taste it.
It's good.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't need anything. You wanna like put some of the sweet paprika? Imagine if it was like red. No?
It just tastes like super sour yogurt. Tastes the...
I don't wanna. It tastes like super sour yogurt. Let's put sweet paprika then. No, really, it's fine.
I think garlic.
Yeah? No, I think it's fine. But yeah, we can add garlic. Can't hurt. It's good.
It's good,
You know what it
though.
needs? It needs to be thicker, but I don't know how to make it thicker. No, I can taste the garlic. There's like a garlic aftertaste na. All right. 1/8 of a teaspoon.
That's rounded garlic. So we're gonna put this in the freezer. It's gonna be cold when we set it.
Side quest! So, okay, while waiting for the chicken to marinate, he's decided he needs to grow mint now. What we need is like a little pot that you can propagate it in.
No, we need water first for it to sprout roots.
Where are you gonna put the water?
In the glass.
Get a little pot and put the water in the little pot and put the mint in.
Oh, you don't get it. You get a tissue, you wet the tissue, and you put the... Oh wait, no.
What are you saying?
What are you making?
Why are you wanting
What?
tissue?
I've brought you a pot.
It's the pot that you made.
That's right. It's my slightly wonky pot. That's fine. Why?
It means it's not safe for water usage or food usage.
For food, but we're not gonna drink the
But it's
water.
gonna go in.
You're gonna. No, it's not.
It's gonna go in the crack.
The crack is on the outside.
The crack is in here also.
I think it's fine.
Show us
Let's.
It's definitely not fine. Also, doesn't get smushed.
That's fine.
See, it caught it in the folds of its body. Okay, quick, put in some mints. Grow, mint, grow.
A lot long.
These look wilted.
Look, little bit. Because you put it in the ref.
I thought you were gonna say because I'm old. That would be mean. Ta-da! And now my little pot has a new life. As a mint making machine. I shall put you right here. Well, where do you want to put it?
Who's gonna water it?
There's no need to water it. It's in water. Okay, let's see. Use the oven. I think we can put it on broil, but let's put it on like the, not the highest rack, so it doesn't burn. Pyrex. I'll just give it a rinsey rinse.
So, 74 degrees Celsius. You think that's right?
What's this?
74 degrees Celsius for a cookie.
Yeah, if the internet says so, it's probably right. I believe the FDA. Like after 15 minutes, then we'll take its temperature. 10 lang? Alright. Let's put it on broil. Okay. Thank you. Let's lay it out so it's pleasant.
What did it smell?
It smells like garlic.
Oh, that it smelled like.
Yep. It smells like ilok. What? Why do you stretch this one so much?
You did that.
No, it's when you were massaging them. Squish it,
Stretch them.
squish it,
They're
squish
just
it.
deboned. Push this in here.
Oh my gosh, okay. Oh,
See, I'm a professional.
professional jigsaw. I don't know this movie.
You don't?
I don't watch horror movies, you know
I
it.
didn't watch it either.
Oh no, how do you know this movie?
It was a Strands answer,
Ah,
I think.
let's play strands. After this, while this is cooking. Okay, you set your timer. It's ready. I'm gonna put it in. I feel like I could have made that higher.
Meh.
Meh. The ambient temperature of the room is 27 degrees Celsius, 26.9.
Oh, smells good.
Really? Let's try this one. Yoink. 40, climbing, climbing, climbing. 50, climbing. It stopped climbing na. How about we give it another 3 minutes? Okay. Set a timer for 3 minutes, Lee. While we were waiting for this to marinate and come to temperature, that's not safe. Don't do that.
It's climbing to 7.
Anyway, they decided that they would make matcha and coffee respectively, freeze it so later we can put milk and have like a latte ice coffee situation. Dude, I really feel like we don't need to fry it now. Look at that skin, it's crispy. Look, oh. Hang on. Ah, hot! I touched the hot Pyrex like a dummy. Ooh. Ooh. 73. This is the stupidest game. The chicken is cooked. We are toasting tortilla wraps. The sauce is ready. Let's assemble and have lunch. I think he likes it. It is a success. All right, let's eat. And be together. Da, 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 da. Be normal, be normal.
They have a ton of footage and then
Yogurt.
you might not use all of them.
I'll use the...
Yogurt.
It's fine, it's fine.
It smells funky.
No, I was just checking. I ate it last night. It's okay.
No, you have sore throat.